We just finished excavating everything and we're putting in the base rock. Something that's really important is making sure we install enough base. So here are 5 important things about installing base under pavers. First, proper excavation depth. Dig deep enough to allow space for the base material and the pavers, so the surface stays level and stable. Second, use the right base material. Crushed stone or road base is best because it compacts well and provides strong support. Third, install the base in layers. Adding the base in thin layers and compacting each layer helps prevent shifting over time. Fourth, proper compaction. Using a plate compactor ensures the base is firm and can support the weight of the pavers and foot traffic. Fifth, ensure proper drainage. A well-installed base allows water to drain properly, preventing erosion and extending the life of the patio.